Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Shekhar Metla, and today you are going to learn a super easy Python project. How simply you can create yourself. If you know the basics, yes, you need to be you will be master in Python. How simple? Let's see. I am using a simple technique using ChatGPT. Yes, ChatGPT is an open source tool, and this is especially nowadays it's a more trending. And it's launched by OpenAI in November 2022, and it's built on top OpenAI's GPT-3 family, which is fine-tuned with both supervised and reinforcement fine-tuning techniques which are added. So what user need a requirement, it may be coding or it may be other solutions. Yes, it's providing. How super easily we can build a project in using Python code, especially you are going to learning here. If you are new to watching this video lecture, please do subscribe now for more video lectures from this channel. Yes, let's initiate. Before initiating, I'll show you how to access ChatGPT. So go over here, Google, and hit ChatGPT, and first link you can click here for ChatGPT. Now you scroll down, try ChatGPT. Here it is displaying. Yes, if you are already logged in, it will show you direct this window. If you are new to this ChatGPT, it will ask you to create an account, which is absolutely free. So register using your Google or Microsoft account, which is absolutely free to access. This OpenAI tool is at present like a non-profit organization. So using ChatGPT AI tool to how to prepare this build an ATM project in Python code, we'll see now. My question is I am asking to ChatGPT. Yes, here we need to type the question and send how we can send a message to the a WhatsApp. Let's see here. Very simply, ChatGPT is responding our requirement. So I'll be happy to help you to build ATM project Python here. Wow, really awesome. So why are you late? If you are already having a particular Python code editor to test your code, you just ready to test this. I have a PyCharm code editor which is installed in my computer system. I am initiated. I'm so crazy to knowing all these things. Let's see. It's a prepared a class, and inside the methods and how to access this class objects, and how to passing the data to particular class objects to testing this ATM app, and how to use this also it is given. Yes. And now in advantage, this code you can use happily with this particular source code, which is a AI generated code freely. Yes, come back here. Go to your PyCharm IDE, new Python file. Here what I want to put here, yes, ATM project. So project, yeah, hit enter. Take a code from what the PyCharm our ChatGPT is generated, copy code. Yes, it's a free, it's a copyright. Yes, now my code is ready. I am not written any single line. See, class it is, functions it is, and check balance function, and withdrawal method, and else condition. If you know the basics, it won't take convert you to master in less than a day. So but all what you need to know, you should understand to how to utilize this code. Yes, see, if I run this project, right click ATM, run the project. Wow, 3 messages we got it. Why? Because 3 times a check balance, it is a 1,000 rupees it is there, and withdrawal 500, yes, and deposit 1,500. So it is, see how simply the inside methods. If you need more methods, you can add it by using this particular functionality. Adding this functionality to learn many things from this particular ChatGPT. So I hope this video lecture will help you more and more to create and understand real-time, real-world projects in Python. And if you comfortable and understand about this video lecture is useful for you, please do subscribe now for more video lectures from us. Thank you.